we've got shopping. A lot of shopping today. Hoi An is like known for their tailor suits and like tailor-made things. So me, Dane, Georgina, we're gonna go shopping for suits. Well, Dane maybe not suits, but shopping nonetheless. This town is super cool. Just like walking through the streets, tailor shops everywhere. Suits, dresses, leather bags. Crazy. It's so cool. The worst part is I'm gonna spend a hefty amount of money here. But it's okay.
With all types of brown, maybe also with those.
These are all linen, and then those were wool. Yeah, these are more wool from that I picked for my suit. Also, these it's crazy the amount of it's too many choices. What's up?
How's
bro?
it going?
I'm going crazy.
Lots of options.
Yeah, these are the sure, but maybe I can get your take actually. These are for the inside of the suit.
Ah, fun.
So, Instagram suit. This suit.
Love, that's what I actually got my suit made in.
And then I just need help figuring out my inside. Would be
Okay,
nice.
yeah.
See it, but I think this is going to be on the inside of my black suit. I think this one. You can see a little better.
Yeah, how much for two?
This one might be the one on the inside of my navy suit. So originally I was going to, test out different suit tailors, but I figured why not? So I just went with this tailor shop. Bari, I think, Taylor. 2 suits, 1 3-piece, 1 2-piece, and linen trousers for $330. Not too bad for custom made things. So, yeah, now I think we're gonna get lunch, and then I'm gonna get, I think, myself some leather-made Birkenstocks. It. The reviews say it's good quality, so I guess only time will tell. That store. It's so sick. Oh, there he is. You got one? Hell yeah. Got a fanny pack. Way to join. Do you think this guy's an actual Eagles fan? Go Birds!
I'll maybe not today.
Gene's afraid when he flexes his thigh, he's gonna split him in half. Oh, there's no volume on this, huh?
Way okay? Way okay, right?
Maybe a little bit.
Little bit looser. The bum was so looser. I do get the bum bigger
Dang, teen. Dang. Looking dapper. You do look like Freddie Mercury now. wow. Oof.
I'm so stoked to get these suits. Like, when originally I was like, the black one, kind of like whatever. And when I put it on, I was like, oof, kind of looks nice. And then my blue one, I'm pumped about because the inside of the jacket is the world map, or like a ton of like patterns of the world map, which is sick. Also kind of crazy that I came here at like 11 o'clock, 6 p.m. the same day. They already have all of it mostly like done. They're just now fine tuning it. It's kind of cool. Dane is inside, probably gonna buy some Crocs. Hopefully to buy Crocs. He's being very particular about them, but as long as he gets Crocs, that's all I care about. But that's gonna conclude the vlog for today. Hoi An's really cool. A lot of tailoring and leather-made stuff. Yeah, cool little town. All the buildings are yellow, which is kind of cool. And let's hope for good weather tomorrow. And peace.
In the house for a very long time. Never I cease, I get better like wine. Soul searching, found me online. No end of my reach, got a hand on the skies. Stop being so emotional, what you smoking on? About time I open up, you can't roll with us.